Every year, millions of used mobile phone batteries are generated worldwide. These batteries contain precious metals such as lithium, cobalt, nickel, and copper. Today, we will take a look at the complete recycling process for mobile phone lithium-ion batteries. The recycling process begins with safe discharge. By managing the residual charge, safety risks during subsequent processing are effectively reduced. Safety remains the paramount principle in lithium-ion battery recycling. Following discharge, the batteries enter the primary crushing system. Through dual-shaft crushing, the batteries are broken down into smaller particles, facilitating subsequent processing and separation. Next, the crushed material enters the low-temperature drying system. This process effectively removes electrolyte and moisture, reducing material stickiness and improving separation efficiency. At the same time, low-temperature processing helps enhance safety and improves the purity of the black mass and the stability of the recovery process. After drying, the material enters the fine crushing system, where the black mass, copper, aluminum, and separator materials are completely separated. The entire process is carried out under negative pressure, effectively controlling dust emissions. Subsequently, the material passes sequentially through air separation and magnetic separation systems. Lightweight plastics and separator materials are removed, whilst metallic impurities are efficiently separated. Finally, the valuable black mass is collected via a dust collection system, and copper and aluminum particles are efficiently recovered. Maxim is committed to providing professional lithium-ion battery recycling solutions to customers worldwide. Contact us to learn more about our recycling equipment and technologies.